Hi everyone, welcome to Program Thought channel. Today I am going to discuss about read a text file line by line and display the each word separated by hash. If let us assume that I am going to give the input, the text file my.txt. That text file contain hi how are you. Each and every word spaced on the separator space. Let us in that space uh, splitted into the word. Say end of the word put ash. This final output. What will happen? Let's see the code. Make a file in equal to open my doc is a txt file. I am opening the read mode and iterate the each and every words and spaced on the space split characters for line in file in word equal to line in split. Use this method split method for w in word colon print w plus right plus mode within single quotes ash comma and equal to single quotes file in dot close. I'm going to run the code. What will happen? Finally get the answer. Thank you for watching.